Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Putri Pandemega Satyani. I'm student from Ganesha University of Education 4A class and with student ID number 2312021030. In this video, I will explain the one catch-up strategy that you teacher can use to improve student speaking skills. So the strategy is thinking aloud challenge. Before we know about what is the strategy, let's find out about what speaking skills are and the purpose of teaching speaking skills. Speaking skill is a person's ability to use language fluently, accurately, and effectively. And the purpose of the teaching speaking skills is to develop the fluency, develop the effectively, to practice communicating well and more clearly. And this teaching skill also to increase student self-confidence and also encourage social interactions. So from that explanations, the one of suitable strategy is thinking aloud challenge. This strategy also appropriate for 12th grade or PACE F-PACE, and this strategy accordance with communicative language teaching method. So what is communicative language teaching? So communicative language teaching method is a method that emphasizes on the use of language functionally and meaningfully in the social interaction. And this method accordance with real life situations. This method also emphasizes on fluency rather than emphasis on accuracy of grammatical. This method use student-centered learning. So that's about the communicative language teaching method. So what is thinking aloud challenge strategy? Thinking aloud challenge strategy is a strategy that asks students to solve the problem, perform a specific task, or answer the question. This strategy also asks students to express content of their thoughts by using English in the by using English from the topic that given by the teacher. So in this method also asks students to continue speak. This activity opening up student thinking process. So teacher know how student thinking process. And this strategy use real time or real life situations. From the explanations, we know that both communicative language teaching method and thinking aloud challenge strategy is suitable. This is because they both emphasize on fluency, emphasize on student real life or real time, and also use student-centered learning. So that's explanation about this strategy. And how about the implementation? So there are several things that teacher needs prepare before. The first is time or stopwatch. The second is the topic that relevant to the students. And there are several steps to implement the strategy. First, teacher explain the mechanism or technique of the strategy. For example, what should student must do, what how it works, or etc. So student not confused about the mechanism they can do in maximum. Secondly is teacher write a list of the topic in the whiteboard. So student can choose one of the topics that they want to explain that. Second is teacher divide student into several groups that consist of 3 until 4 students. And then students give time 1 until 2 minutes to understand that topic and also find several keywords so they can explain clearly. And the next step is students take turn in their groups to speak with predetermined time. For example, 1 until 2 minutes. And for the other students who do not speak will write the important things based on what their friends say. And the next is every student in the group provide feedback for their friends. They give feedback or suggestion, but in positively and not make their friends feel down. And also the feedback is not on the accuracy grammatical. And that's about the several steps that teacher can do and wants to implement the strategy. And this strategy has several strengths and weakness. The strength of this strategy is first, this strategy can improve student fluency in the use of language. This is because when they do activity in this strategy, the student asks to continue speaking in 1 or 2 minutes. So that's very good impact for students. Second, it can improve students' self-confidence. This is because student not receive pressure for the other people when they make mistakes when they make mistake when they make mistake in the speaking. And also students do speaking in the small group, and slowly that activity may increase students' self-confidence. And next is students can improve students' critical thinking. This is because students should make a sentence for the keywords that they find before the speaking. This makes students to still make the other friends understand what they say. And the last is improve student thinking in English. Because they have limited time, so students can translate their words or sentence from mother tongue to English tongue. So they directly think in English. So that's of the strength. And the next is for the weakness or the limitation of this strategy. So this strategy is lack of grammatical accuracy. This is because this strategy just focuses on fluency and not on the grammatical. And the next is the structure in speaking cannot clear. This is because when the student get confused about the topic, about what will they say, it makes the structure of the sentence is not clear and can make the other student not understand about what their friend says. And the last is the assignment is difficult for the teacher. This is because the practice is carried out at the same time. That makes teacher difficult to assess the students. So that's all for the limitation of the strategy. But don't worry, there are several methods that teacher can use to overcome the limitations. The first, for the grammatical, teacher can mention grammar that can use for the students. So student can remember about that material and can minimize the mistake of the grammar. And the second is about the structure is not clear. Teacher can give topic that very relate to the students. So students know a lot of the that topic and student can know what will they say. And the last is for the assessment. Teacher can use rubric assessment to make the assessment more structured and clear. And besides that, teacher can use peer assessment, self-assessment, or group assessment to make easier for assess students. So from the all explanation, we can conclude that this thinking aloud challenge strategy is very suitable to improve student speaking skill and combined with communicative language teaching. It's very good effect for students in fluency and self-confidence in communication. So that's all from me. If there are any wrong words or mistake, I apologize. Thank you for watching.